Hi, a very good morning to you. Today's tip about using the iPhone is that you should use more of dictation than typing on a keyboard to save a lot of time, and it is so much easier. I'll just show you. Before you actually can start dictating, you need to enable it. I'll just show it to you how. To enable dictation, press on settings, then you go to general and then look for keyboard, go down and then enable dictation, and that is all that it takes. I'll open a new note, and to start dictating you press on the mic like looking thing at the right bottom corner just below the keyboard, and long press it and choose your language. I'm choosing English now. When I start dictating, just keep in mind that my voice will not be heard because when Siri is listening to dictation things, it stops recording the voice, and that is why you will not hear my voice. Okay. So this is how easy it is. I'll just type something in, dictate something in Hindi. Long press, choose Hindi. So this is how easy it is. So you should use it more often. So as you saw, typing is so much more tedious than actually speaking or dictating your message to wherever you need to. Hope this helps. Best of dictation. Bye bye. See you another time.